fell in love with Ashley. Down in Miami, we got nasty. I'm not ashamed, I'm not ashamed.
Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley for tuning in for the first time. And today we're going for a 12-inch bob. This video comes courtesy of Youth Beauty, so you know that they have great quality hair. I've definitely worked with this company quite a few times, and every time I feel like I slay their wigs. So this time it was nothing shy of what we are used to. I went for a 12-inch bob with the center part, no baby hair, even though I finagled a little something right here. It's not baby hair, it's just more like edges, as you guys can see, but we're giving forehead realness. This is something that you guys love. So go ahead and tune in, subscribe, stick around if you want to see how I installed this look.
So you need a little break, huh? Boy, say you need a little space, yeah. Boy, is it cause you can't be faithful? Boy, hope she's cool, unlike you. You ain't ready for a girlfriend, no. Cause you think I'll steal your weekends, no. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic, I do. You think you're bad, boy, but I feel bad for you. Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah, ayy. And pay me what I'm owed, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me. Yeah, yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, yeah, cash rolls all around me.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. You're losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, cause I can't be saved. I keep falling under all this pressure, falling under ever since I met you. Baby, I'm no good, but you know better, better. I got all these voices on repeat, singing me to sleep. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other. You might think I'm slipping in too deep. This is what I need. Better off waking me close, keep calling each other friends.
Okay, love bugs, I am officially done with this look. And you already know, when it comes down to it, one thing I can do is make my hair look good. I can slay it and I can keep myself together. When I be looking crazy at home, I always in the back of my mind, when I put that shit on, it's a wrap. So today we are working with Youth Beauty, as you guys already know from the intro and title. As I always share with you, they have some of the cutest packaging. I love their dust bag. It just is really nice, and well, you can't see my door hanger there, but like if you had a hanger here, it just hangs there, really cute and dainty. And it is not just catfish, it really does have one of these beautiful fancy hangers in underneath. I still remember when I was like maybe like 3-4 years old, 4 years, I think I was 4, my mom got married, and we had the fancy hangers like this, and that was my first experience with these, and I love them. And then also they did give a wig cap inside of there. I love the fact that a bob will have you looking nice and sleek and clean and neat and grown. It'll definitely have you looking, you know, very much like that girl. It kind of keeps you together, and just, you know, it gives a vibe that like long straight hair, deep wave, curly wave could never. But there's just something about a bob that gives like, I'm on my. With this one, it was very easy to, again, install and style, because you know when you have a bob, you almost already know you're just gonna just have it straight and bump the ends. Every once in a while you can do a fun little beach wave style where you take your wand curler and you kind of will like at the center like do like a 1-2 and let it go, and it'll create a little bit of dimension in the center with the straight ends. I've actually never done that on this channel, and it just reminds me that maybe I should have done this with this wig. Nonetheless, this one did come with a lot of bounce and body and movement. I even love the fact that you get at least 6 inches of parting space, because that is my favorite. Feel free to go in and pluck the hairline the parting, if you want it to be a little bit more like separated and realistic. For me, this works just fine. As far as the hairline goes, like I feel like a bob majority of the time is just meant to be like give forehead and again serious business class sexy mature vibes, and for that reason I just feel like a bob almost always pairs best with no baby hair, even though me personally in my own habitat I'm gonna somehow find a way to throw some baby hair in there. So I kept it a no baby hair look, but I did kind of like curve it around right here just because I couldn't help myself. Like I always feel like I have to have a little something. I really love this one, and you guys already know I am like this with Youth Beauty. I work with them quite a few times, so stick around and check out a few more videos that I've done with this company, just so you can see their range and a few different items that I have reviewed over the years. I am going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe if you've lasted this long in the video, because that just means you love the girl, or at least you're interested and curious. And so stay tuned, because Sunday we will have another vlog coming up. Anyways, I'm Ashley. If you are tuning in for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, like this video, share with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!